told you that I never would. I told you I'd change.
So guys, अभी फिलहाल we are going to Jarampur and here's Atunandan with us. And that's my big brother. Very good salam, right? Hello mama. और बात तो ऐसा है कि I came here बहुत दिनों पहले and then yeah and then कल हमको वापस जाना पड़ेगा because I applied for B.Ed in one of the RGU affiliated colleges but I didn't expect to get through but then आज दिन को हमको एक कॉल आया था एक मैम से that the merit list was out बहुत पहले और हम देखने गए नहीं था because I didn't have any expectation उसको लेके regarding that तो हमको मिल गया इसलिए हमको कल जाना पड़ेगा and then there's no bus so maybe I'll have to take the route of Namsai तो हमको कल उधर से जाना पड़ेगा अभी फिलहाल मामी उस दिन से बहुत बीमार हो रहा था उसका दांत में कैविटी होने का कारण से अल्बू को बात करता है गाइस shut up I'm saying something okay yes and Jammu is very far away तो मामी का कैविटीज होने का कारण से अभी मामी का दांत को चेकअप कराया था उस दिन तो अभी हम लोग वापस जा रहे हैं उसका ब्लड टेस्ट करना है तो ब्लड टेस्ट करने का बाद में हम लोग को मालूम चलेगा कब जाके दांत को निकालेगा तो या इसलिए हम लोग जा रहे हैं नाउ सी वन
सो गाइस आल्बो आप सभी को कुछ बताना चाहता है तो आप लोग अच्छा से सुनिएगा
We are taking fish for tonight's dinner और ये रहा वो भाई हमें देखो तो देखो उसका आईब्रो किस तरह से ज्वाइन है हम उसको पूछ रहा था कि उसको टेंशन होता है कि नहीं होता तो वो नहीं होता है उसका आईब्रो को लेके उसका टेंशन नहीं होता है हम लोग उसका अंदर में ये फिश का अंदर में अंडा है बोल के उसको ले रहे हैं और भाई आप स्कूल पढ़ते हैं नहीं पढ़ते बुढ़ा हो गया होगा बुढ़ा हो गया आप शादी कर लिया ओह प्रेज द लॉर्ड तो मछली साफ करके हम लोग अभी उसको घूमने ले जाके पकड़ ओवर और उसके बाद में हेलगे टीम ने इतना भयंकर से सीधा है हार जताया है 8-0 अभी वो लोग फाइनल से बोल गए जिसको हम देखने के लिए नहीं कल निकल जाएगा वापस देख सकते हैं वहाँ भी जाना सेलिब्रेटिंग
कितना अच्छा लगता है वो आपस में बात करते हुए ग्राउंड से बाहर
तो क्या हो रहा है
ये नो बोल रहा है
और उसके लिए क्या किया और पानी
ओपन इट हाँ हाँ वाह वाह आइडिया लगा रहे वाह wow oh my god who is the hardy man my last morning at my village और अभी फिलहाल बेटा को पहुंचाने के लिए आया है there you can see my Atunandan Atu Felix hi बोलो Atunandan hi बोलो यहाँ में देखो ना hi बोलो तो आज 9 बजे नहीं तो 8 बजे से कुछ निकल जाएगा हम भी जाना पड़ेगा वापस दोईमुख सो बेटा को मिस करेगा Atunandan I'm gonna miss you come here I want a hug I want a quick hug come on faster before the bus comes I love you I'm gonna miss you okay go 아직 see him
Every time I go back It feels like I leave a piece of myself behind. It's strange how familiar places can start to feel distant, like they once held all of you, but now they only hold a version of who you used to be. Going back stirs emotions you thought you had already put to rest. It reminds you of everything you have outgrown and everything you still carry. It's hard, harder than people realize, because it's not just about a place. It's about the memories, the feelings, the people, the moments that shaped you. But life doesn't pause, it keeps moving. Even when you're standing still inside, we have to find the strength to move with it, even when it hurts. We have to do something with what we have. Even when we feel empty, we have to stand on our own. To be independent, even when it feels like the ground beneath us keeps shifting. Life puts so much pressure on us. The expectations, the responsibilities, the unspoken burdens, they all pile up. Sometimes so high it feels impossible to breathe. But in a way, those responsibilities are also what keeps us going. They're the quiet reminders that we still have a purpose. The purpose that we still have something to fight for, even on the days when it feels easier to give up. I know it's not easy. Not for you, not for me, and not for anyone. Everyone carries something, even the ones who seem fine. And maybe that's one of the hardest truths. Realizing that pain doesn't always look the same on everyone. But despite everything, we keep going. Because what else can we do? Sometimes you just have to take a leap of faith, even when the landing isn't certain. Sometimes you have to trust that life will catch you, that somehow you will find your footing again. Going back will always be the toughest part. It reopens doors you thought were closed and feelings you thought had faded. But maybe that's part of the journey, revisiting where you have been, not to stay there, but to see how far you have come. Every time you go back, you're reminded of how much you have grown, how much stronger you have become. Even if you didn't notice it while it was happening, you still find out that. Life is a constant balance between holding on and letting go, between remembering who you were and becoming who you are meant to be. You lose pieces of yourself along the way, yes, but you also discover new ones in places you never expected. And sometimes those new pieces are softer, wiser, and stronger. They remind you that growth often comes from the hardest seasons. So even when it hurts, even when the road feels lonely, keep going. Keep believing that there's something waiting for you beyond this. Something better, something wiser, something lighter. Because every struggle, every heartbreak, every step backward teaches you something. It shapes you, even when you don't see it yet. And maybe one day when you look back again, it won't feel like leaving pieces behind. It will feel like visiting the roots of who you are and thanking them for helping you become the person you have grown into. Life is mysterious and adventurous, so live it to the fullest.
मालूम ही नहीं चल रहा है अगर गाड़ी आगे बढ़ रही है या फिर नहीं. सेकेंड्स भी नहीं लगे पार होने के लिए. हम लोग पार करके आ चुका है इस पार में, और हम नहीं सोचा था इतना आसानी से पार होगा करके. हम सोचा था बहुत समय लगेगा, बट देन इतना जल्दी क्रॉस कर लिया हम रिवर को. क्या हो गया? सो या दिस वाज माय सेकंड टाइम. पहले जाना था ना.
I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end?